is 4:50 and we just got to Epcot. Lucia fell asleep on the monorail. She was like dozing off and it finally hit her. I mean, I don't blame her. Poor girl, she has been up since 4 o'clock this morning, I think, maybe a little bit before. So I knew it was about to hit it on her, but at least this way she's taking a long nap. She can hopefully stay up for fireworks over at the resort, because we plan to go back and utilize our amazing upgraded room. So yeah, let's just see what we can do. So yeah, we probably will get dinner here and then head back to the resort. That's the nice thing about being an AP holder. We can just go back and forth and don't have to worry about, you know, getting our day's worth of the pass or whatever. So let's go. It's 5:30, little one just woke up. Are you okay? Alright, so I figured let's go do the Moana, I think it's Journey into Water or whatever it's called. Let's just go do that since it's hot, because I think when we come back like on Wednesday, and even if we come back tomorrow, it's not going to be as hot. So I think this is a perfect day to do it, so then we can focus on other things the rest of the week. Alright, we're going to try this again now that it's warmer outside. Your cheeks got so rosy, Mama. Alright, should we keep going? Oh, remember you can play with the water over here. Wanna go play with the water? Wash your hands? Remember this one? You wave your arms. Oh my God. from a nap, she's like disoriented. Maybe this way? Okay. Going the dry path. Probably a good call. They do have a wet path there. It's like a sprinkle that you can Wait! All water is connected.
Yo, we gotta go. We're already late for dinner.
Your little rosy cheek. Seen
And I was like, this is this.
but you know. Alright, we got the whole stroller matrix going on here. Alright, Mama. Well, I think I'm going to end it right here. I hope you enjoyed our video today. If you're not already subscribed, I would really love it if you would go ahead and hit the thumbs up and ring the bell so you'll be notified for all future content. My toddler and I go to Disney multiple times a year, and we'd love for you to join along with us. And we will see you at the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.